Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical issue affecting the UK's care sector, recent changes to migration rules. Let's explore how these changes could reshape the future of care in the UK. Less than 2 years ago, the UK opened skilled worker visas to overseas care workers, aiming to address record staff shortages. Many believe these international recruits literally saved the system from collapse. But recent changes are causing concern. The latest announcement reveals a significant shift. Care workers can no longer bring their families to the UK. This decision has sparked worry among care companies, fearing it will deter potential recruits from overseas. Last year, nearly 144,000 care workers brought about 174,000 family members to the UK. For many, the chance to provide a better life for their families is a key motivator. The impact of this change could be profound, both for the workers and the care sector. Take Mike Padgham, who runs 5 care homes in North Yorkshire. Out of his 225 staff, 32 were recruited from abroad. He fears the new policy might lead to staff departures and challenges in filling positions. The government promises this is part of the biggest ever cut in migration. However, with net migration hitting a record 745,000 in 2022 and 165,000 vacancies in care at the start of 2022, the sector is still in a vulnerable state. Caroline Abraham from the Care and Support Alliance expresses deep concern for those needing care. With low pay and high living costs deterring UK workers, the sector heavily relied on overseas recruitment. The struggle is real for care providers. When local supermarkets offer higher wages, retaining care staff becomes even tougher. And with councils facing financial crises, the pressure only mounts. While the government has increased funding for adult social care, major reforms are delayed. And there's growing concern about unethical practices in recruiting overseas staff, including exploitation and false promises. As these changes unfold, the future of the UK's care sector hangs in the balance. Will these migration rules benefit or harm the industry? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.